Today we'll talk a little bit on few stocks to buy ahead of the festive season. People consider the season as auspicious and they tend to buy into stocks, gold, real estate, etc. Today we'll talk a little bit on stocks and which stocks to buy during the festive season, which could probably give you good returns until the next festive season, that is until 2020 festive season of Diwali and Dussehra. We'll talk of three stocks. The first one that we are recommending is the stock of L&T Finance Holding. Now, L&T Finance Holding has the shares have fallen from levels of 180 to the current levels of 84. In fact, at the current levels, the stock of L&T Finance Holding is trading at almost a 52-week low. Yesterday, it hit a 52-week low of 83, and today it's trading around that 84 level mark. We are recommending L&T Finance Holding for a number of reasons. The first being the fact that the stock is trading at reasonably good valuations of around 8 to 9 in terms of price to earnings multiple and below 2 in terms of book value. The company is a good profit making, dividend paying company. Yes, probably this could be the quarter ending September could be a little difficult for the company because it's a leading financer of vehicles, and we all know vehicle sales have been low. So there could be a hit in the short term for the stock. But at these levels, remember, it's probably the entire slowdown could have been factored in the stock price because the stock price has halved. So L&T Finance Holding, it has a strong pedigree promoted by Larsen & Toubro. So therefore, we think that at a price to book of under 2 and a price to earning multiple of less than 9 times, it's a good pick at these levels. The second stock that we are recommending is another stock that has been promoted, comes from a strong pedigree, and that is LIC Housing Finance. Now, LIC Housing Finance, like L&T Finance Holding, is almost at its 52-week low. In fact, yesterday it dropped to its 52-week low of 370 rupees. You're getting the stock today at around 384 levels. Now, here again, the stock is available at a price to earnings level of less than 8 times. The dividend yield on the stock is almost 2%, and it's a good profit making company. The housing finance sector, yes, in the next couple of quarters we might see a little bit of impact on the results because of the poor sales of housing and also tepid growth in the real estate sector. But going ahead from a 1-year perspective, we believe this is a stock that can really give good returns. So the first stock we recommended was L&T Finance Holding. The second was LIC Housing Finance, and the third stock that we are recommending is the stock of Coal India. Now, Coal India also has fallen from those levels of 290 rupees to these current levels of 195. At these levels, one of the reasons to recommend Coal India is for the dividend yield. Now remember, they declare dividends in the month of February, so it's already October. In the next 4-5 months, you should receive a very good dividend. Last year, it declared a dividend of around 13 rupees 10 paise, or 13 rupees 25 paise. If you see the same dividend, if they declare again in February 2020, your dividend yield on the stock could be anywhere between 6.5–7%. Now remember, dividends are tax-free in the hands of investors, so up to 10 lakh rupees. So you're going to get good dividends, and if your dividend is below 10 lakh rupees, you're going to get it as tax-free. Now, Coal India is also a stock that is good for in terms of fundamentals. It's about trading at 9 times price to earnings multiple. There is tremendous demand for coal, and it's got coal blocks and a reasonable amount of coal production left, and they're pushing production already higher. So all in all, it seems to be a good pick. Remember, it's also a cash rich company which is also debt free, which is another big plus for Coal India. So Coal India also is a good pick at these levels for its primarily for its dividend yields, and also it's a stock that could probably, it's a hedge against a falling market because of its dividend yield. So the 3 stocks that we recommend this time for the festive season is L&T Finance Holding, LIC Housing Finance, and Coal India. Thank you so much.